My people, on this International Women's Day, I find myself reflecting on the profound impact that two extraordinary women, my dear mother and grandmother, had on my life. Though they are no longer with us, their legacies of strength, love, and resilience continue to inspire me every single day. To my mother, your presence may no longer grace this earth, but your spirit lives on in every beat of my heart. You taught me the power of kindness, the beauty of empathy, and the importance of standing up for what is right. Not to mention the emphasis you place on education. Me could write a book on that, but let's get back to the point. Your absence leaves an ache in my soul, but your memory fills me with warmth and gratitude. Today, I honor you for the incredible woman you were and for the legacy of love and strength that you left behind. To my cherished grandmother, Miss Selva, Lord, your gentle spirit and your unconditional love has enriched my life in ways that I can never fully express. You were a pillar of strength, a fountain of wisdom, and a source of endless comfort. Your resilience in the face of adversity taught me the true meaning of courage, and your nurturing presence provided me with a sense of security that I will always carry with me. Your stories, laughter, and timeless wisdom continue to echo in my heart. That right about yes or no, me I take people down a memory lane, and it's because of all my experience with you that I am able to do so. Though you may have left this world, Lord, me can't talk. Your spirit remains a beacon of light, illuminating my path with love and inspiration. Today and every day, Miss Selva, I celebrate your remarkable life and the immeasurable impact you have had in shaping the person I am today. My people, drop a line in the comment field and make me hear which woman, whether your granny, your auntie, your sister, your mother, what impact have they had on your life? Let me hear one know. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, in which part of the world on the day. Happy International Women's Day. Love, peace, and blessings.